Yeah, yes, Mr. Counsel.
Yes. My lord, before I present my witness in this case, I want your permission so that I can tell this court about summary and facts which is not highlighted in this court at this point.
Yes.
So shall I?
Mr. Counsel, this is not, this is a defense stage.
Yes, my lord, I am aware about this.
Yeah.
But before this, I just want to give you a short summary about this case and the few facts which are not highlighted at this point. So
At
please.
what point? Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, my lord. My lord, according to the police complaint, on 10th September 2019, around 6:30, Mr. Shantanu came along with Mr. Late Prince from Lloyd Law College, heading towards their home. They stopped at ATM of Oriental Bank of Commerce, which is 1 kilometer away from their college. Late
Yeah.
Prince wait outside the ATM and Shantanu withdraw the cash. Suddenly, a white Maruti SX4 came and two masked men out of the car and accused number one start beating Prince. Then Shantanu went there to help his friend.
Mr. Counsel, this is a defense. You are not arguing at the time of charge. This is a defense. This stage is defense evidence stage.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
You produce a witness only.
Okay, my lord. My lord, my first witness is.
Yes.
Mr. Sufyan Riaz.
Mr. Sufyan Riaz.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Mr. Sufyan?
Yes.
Yeah. Just tell this court about yourself.
Your Lordship, counsel seeks permission to kindly throw light on the application provided by the defendant side, application of 315.
Yes.
That, Your Lordship, the sign of the witness, the sign of the accused has not been provided in the same.
Sign of the accused is not provided.
Yes, sir, in the application of 315 in the CRPC.
Counsel sign is there? Counsel sign is there?
Just a second, my lord.
Counsel signature is there or not?
No, my lord.
No?
No, my lord.
Why?
My lord, because at the starting I was submitted the application of 313 and I'm not aware that the 315 application is mandatory to submit the accused in the court.
Not allowed, brother. Mr. Counsel, not allowed. Witness not allowed. Why you are not signing? Signing? Why you are not signing? Accused is it's okay. Accused, I think, is in JSC. Is there? Why your signature is not there? Mr. Counsel, you are a lawyer, not.
Yes, my lord. It is mistake from my side. I apologize.
Not allowed. Not allowed.
Sorry, my lord.
You move proper application.
Okay, my lord.
Please. Thank you. Hello, Ashman?
Yes, sir.
Ashman, write down the order.
Yes, sir. It is being recorded, sir. Please tell the order.
Where is the state concept? PP?
PB present Satyam Sivaj. Please mark your present Satyam.
You have any objection regarding this application?
Your Worship, I do. That the sign has not been provided from the defendant side.
Okay. The learned APP for a state. Robin Jaswal for accused. Application under section 315 moved by counsel, but neither signed by accused nor counsel for the accused. Application is dismissed. But one application is dismissed. Put up for final argument. Hello.
Yes, Your Worship.
So should we go to the next case? Robin, do you have any other witness except the accused?
No, I have only three witnesses in this case, and all of them are accused.
So the application is dismissed. We have to move on for the next case. Shikhar? Hello, Shikhar?
Yes, sir, we'll be just taking 5 minutes. The
Okay,
counsel of the other cases are just joining the meeting.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm with you.
Thank you, Your Worship.
Sir, this is case number 43.
Yeah. Shubham, what is the team code?
Yes, sir.
Team code number
Team code number is 43. The next case is 43.
843
No, sir. 043.
04.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Am I audible? T.
Yes.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Which side you are
Your Honor,
representing?
Your Honor, defendant.
Defendant. How many defendants?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, one. Only one.
Only one. What's your name, counsel?
Nutan Shakya.
Yes.
Uh,
You
Good
moved
afternoon, Your
application.
Honor. Pardon, Your Honor.
You move 315 application or not?
315 application.
Yeah.
No, Your Honor.
No. How can I summon your witness?
Apologize, Your Honor. The summon has already been given by the registry. The application is filed.
Application is filed.
Yes, Your
Okay.
Honor.
Okay. How many witnesses?
Your Honor,
Only
there
one.
are two witnesses.
Two witnesses.
No, Your Honor, two witnesses are there.
Two witnesses. Witness's name is?
Main witness is Mr. Subhash Gupta.
Subhash. And second one is?
Second is Mr. Sunil Patel.
Mr. Sunil Patel. Is there any accused in this witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor. Subhash Gupta was initially an accused in this case, but was discharged at the stage of the framing of charges by judge.
Okay. Yes. What is the accused name?
Accused name in this case is Abhishek Anand.
Yes. Yes, Ms. Consul.
Your Honor, should I start with calling witness or
Yes, calling.
brief out the facts of the case?
No.
Okay, Your Honor. Your Honor, if may permit, the counsel wants to call the first defense witness is Subhash Gupta.
Yes.
Mr. Subhash Gupta. Mr. Subhash Gupta, kindly unmute yourself. Mr. Subhash Gupta, please repeat after me.
Yes.
I
I,
do solemnly affirms
Subhash Gupta, do solemnly affirms
that what I shall state
that what I shall state
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Kindly introduce yourself to the court.
सर गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम सुभाष गुप्ता है, मेरे फादर का नाम जीतन प्रसाद है और मैं हाउस नंबर 421 सेक्टर 29 गुरुग्राम में रहता हूँ और मेरी एक छोटी सी ग्रोसरी की दुकान है, मैं उसी को चलाता हूँ और उसी से अपनी रोजी रोटी कमाता हूँ।
कहाँ तक पढ़े हुए हैं?
सर मैंने मैट्रिक पास हूँ मैं।
यस टेल मी।
Uh,
क्या हुआ था, क्या है?
सर आपकी आवाज कट रही है सर।
हेलो।
यस सर।
टेल मी।
सर
Mr. Subhash,
जी
please proceed. Tell the Your Honor how you are related to this case and what you know about this case.
सर इस केस में जो अभिषेक हैं उनके फादर से मेरी बातचीत होती है, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि अभिषेक को एक केस में पुलिस पकड़ के ले गई है, और उन्होंने मुझे ये भी इन्फॉर्म किया कि शायद मेरा भी कुछ नाम इन्वॉल्व है उस केस में। उन्होंने मुझे ये जानकारी दी। अगले दिन मेरे पास एक एडवोकेट आती हैं जिनको अभिषेक के फादर ने ही भेजा होता है। वो मुझसे कहती हैं कि आपका नाम इस केस में इन्वॉल्व है, तो आपको कोर्ट आना पड़ेगा अपना गवाही देने के लिए। तो सर जब मैं उस दिन अगले बार जब मैं कोर्ट गया तो वहाँ पे जज ने मुझे छोड़ दिया। उन्होंने मेरे खिलाफ कोई सॉलिड एविडेंस नहीं था, तो उन्होंने मुझे एक्विट कर दिया था। बस इतना ही जानता हूँ सर मैं इस केस में, और मुझे सर इस केस में फंसाया जा रहा है। ना ही मेरे खिलाफ कोई सॉलिड एविडेंस है, ना ही कोई विटनेस है, सिर्फ मुझे इस केस में फंसाने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
यू आर डिस्चार्ज, तो फंसाने वाली क्या बात है? आप तो डिस्चार्ज हो गए ना, तो फिर फंसाने वाली क्या बात है?
सर वो पिछले इस केस में शायद मैंने पढ़ा था, जो मेरी वकील साहब है उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि शायद मेरे खिलाफ कॉन्स्पिरेसी भी इस केस में लोगों ने लगा रखी है। तो मैं
आप ट्रायल तो फेस नहीं कर रहे हैं ना भाई?
सर मैंने पिछला एक ट्रायल फेस किया था जिसमें मुझे छोड़ दिया
गया था। आपको चार्ज के स्टेज पे आपको डिस्चार्ज कर दिया गया।
यस सर।
केस खत्म हो गया, तो फिर आप इतना परेशान क्यों हो रहे हैं?
सर मुझे क्या कहते हैं, मेरी वकील साहब ने बताया कि मैंने चार्जशीट पढ़ी थी इस केस की, उसमें भी कुछ ऐसा लिखा था कि मैंने कॉन्स्पिरेसी की है मर्डर के लिए, तो इसलिए
डिस्चार्ज हो गया ना, डिस्चार्ज हो गया ना, आपने कॉन्स्पिरेसी की
Your
नहीं।
Honor,
Yes.
If you may permit, I would like to clear some points.
Yes, tell me.
Your Honor, the only motive behind this present case is the one prior case which prosecution is according to just prosecution. They are alleging that there was any prior case and he faced jail because of that, and in the revenge of that, the Subhash Gupta and Subhash Gupta is falsely accused in this case, but he was discharged. According to the prior case, according to the facts of from the side of prosecution, it is alleged that he had done the conspiracy and has faced the jail and also tried to attempt murder. But these facts are false. That is my witness is trying to say.
Okay.
Yes, Mr.
Okay. Anything else, Mr. Subhash? और कुछ कहना है?
सर बस मैं इतना ही कहूंगा कि सर ये मुझे इस केस में लोग गलत फंसा रहे हैं सर।
ओके। Yes, Mr. PP.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any question?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, I want to ask from the Subhash Gupta that
yes,
how he came to know the father of Abhishek Anand.
सर अभिषेक आनंद और मेरा बेटा।
सुभाष जी ये पूछ रहे हैं वकील साहब, पीपी साहब, कि आप अभिषेक आनंद के पिताजी को कैसे जानते हैं?
जी सर एक्चुअली मैं अभिषेक और मेरे बेटा दिनेश दोनों फ्रेंड्स हैं और दोनों का साथ में बिजनेस भी है।
ओके।
तो जी, तो इसी रिलेशन के थ्रू मैं
आप जानते हैं।
जी।
Can you tell the name of the father of Abhishek Anand?
मेरे अभिषेक आनंद नहीं, मुझे याद नहीं है।
आपको मतलब आप जानते हैं पर आपको नाम नहीं पता उनके पापा का?
नहीं, बस मैं उनसे इतनी ही बातचीत है, ज्यादा बातचीत नहीं होती। बस उन्होंने मुझे
आज तक बातचीत में आपने उनका नाम ही नहीं पूछा कभी?
नहीं, इतनी बातचीत नहीं होती है ना कि मैं ये सब जानकारियां रखूं। बस मुझे इतना पता है कि वो मेरे बेटे के साथ काम करते हैं और वो उसके पिता है, बस।
Okay. Your Honor, I want to ask the next question.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
what you have to say about the previous case, which you have that you have conspired to kill the younger son of Mr. Hardev Prasad Chandraveer?
सर,
Why you are asking? PP, why you are asking? He is already discharged in this case.
No, Your Honor. On the basis of this case, he gave threat to Dharamveer that to take case back.
Uh, Your Honor,
He
Your
is
Honor,
already,
may I
yes.
clear any point?
His counsel, please. He is already discharged in this case at the time of charge. He is not facing trial, Mr. PP.
Yes, Honor, I am agree
Yes.
with you that he is discharged, but I am
Yes.
I want to just came with what is the character of the Subhash Gupta, what the cases are on being him.
How many केस है? एक सेकेंड, सुभाष जी आपके अगेंस्ट कोई केस और भी केस है क्या?
नहीं सर।
हाँ जी बताइए।
नहीं सर,
Yes,
सिर्फ
Your Honor, in the
only
prosecution,
one case is pending and he is discharged.
yes my lord.
Yes.
okay.
How can association character?
Your Honor, I want to say that in the prosecution witness, in the Hardev Prasad, who is the respondent in that case, he has already said that he has tried to kill his younger son.
You are yes. Hello.
Yes
Pardon,
sir.
Your Honor.
Pardon. Yes, Mr. What do you say?
Sir, are you asking from me?
No. I'm not asking. I'm asking from PP.
Your Honor, I'm not unable to listen you.
Yes. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I
Yes.
can.
Tell me.
Sir, please repeat your question once.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Please repeat
asking,
your question.
how can you assess character of Subhash Gupta as a witness?
Your Honor, so I want to ask the next question about that.
Yes.
So there is a allegation from your daughter-in-law that you tried to make an illicit relationship with her and molest her for dowry. That has been the statement has been given by his father Hardev Prasad. So what you have to say about that?
सर ये सारे चार्जेस फेक हैं और मेरे ऊपर गलत इल्जाम लगाया जा रहा है। आज तक उस
But
मामले में कोई
regarding this, the charges has not been found, but it is the allegation on your daughter-in-law.
सर
Objection, Your Honor.
Mr.
Objection, Your Honor. There is not any.
Only allegation you hang the Subhash Gupta. Only allegation against her.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any charge sheet has been filed. Any conviction is on record.
Yes, sir. The today the IU has bring the previous case FIR. If you permit me, I can show.
How you exhibit this FIR? Because
No, Your
you
Honor.
photocopy of the FIR record and exhibit it.
No, Your Honor. The IU has bring today. It is brought by the IU.
It's okay.
Uh,
File after this hearing. Okay.
okay, Your Honor. So
Exhibit this document. Yes.
I want to give suggestion that first of all, he is a discharge in this accused in this case, and he cannot be the witness in the same cause of action.
Yes.
And and also he did not know the name of the father of the Abhishek Anand, and he's saying that he talks with him, he has a he knows him, and he come to know from him that he's he's a accused in this case.
Okay. Okay.
Your Honor, may I say something?
Yes.
Your Honor, the documents, the document which Mr. PP is saying about is neither shown at the stage of prosecution evidence stage, and it was filed before the registry, but registry denied the same.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Yes. Second witness. Over. Subhash Gupta
Your Honor,
is
the
over.
council would like. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just tell me.
Your Honor, the council would like to call the second witness, Mr. Who is a police in charge in DLF police station, Mr. Sunil Patel. Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Who is a police in charge in DLF police station. Mr. Sunil Patel,
जी
kindly repeat after me.
हाँ
I, your name,
सुनील पटेल
do solemnly affirms
do solemnly affirm
that what I shall state
that whatever I shall state
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Kindly introduce yourself to the court.
हमारा नाम सुनील पटेल है, हम हेड कांस्टेबल हैं DLF पुलिस स्टेशन गुड़गांव में।
आपका नंबर भी होता होगा, हेड कांस्टेबल साहब, नंबर भी बता दीजिए।
हमारा नंबर है PIS 2234।
जी बताइए।
इस केस में हमें ये बोला गया कि जो दूसरे विटनेस थे सुभाष जी, इनके खिलाफ में ये एलिगेशंस हैं कि इनके खिलाफ में केस फाइल किया गया है हमारे पुलिस स्टेशन में, पर ऐसा कोई भी केस कभी भी इनके खिलाफ कुछ भी हमारे पुलिस स्टेशन में कभी फाइल नहीं किया गया है, और इसी वजह से SHO साहब ने मुझे यहाँ पे भेजा है जनरल डायरी, उस दिन की जनरल डायरी एंट्री के साथ।
अच्छा, जनरल डायरी आपने रिकॉर्ड पे दे दिया?
हाँ, रिकॉर्ड पे दिया हुआ है, वो जज साहिबा के, वो वकील साहिबा के पास पड़ा हुआ है।
ठीक, और कुछ कहना है आपको?
नहीं, हमें और कुछ नहीं कहना है।
जी पीपी साहब बोलिए।
Yes, Your Honor. Your
Yes.
Honor, I want to say
Yes,
that Mr. Subhash Gupta is already discharged. So why has he has been saying giving the in favor of the evidence in favor of the Subhash Gupta, the accused now the Abhishek.
I don't know.
Your Honor, may I clear this point?
Yes, clear.
Your Honor, as according to the facts, there was a prior, according to the prosecution, there is a prior case which is filed against Mr. Subhash Gupta, but there is not any evidence shown from the side of prosecution, and the defense counsel wants to convey to the
Your Honor,
that,
on the
that whole.
One by one. Yes. Ms. Thonse.
Your Honor, that
already. One second.
Yes, Your Honor.
Inquiry is there. Subhash Gupta is already discharged in this case.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. How? Why
Yes.
Sunil Patel witnessing?
Your Honor, the only motive behind this present case is the prior case, which is against
Prior
Mr.
case,
Subhash
I don't know about the prior case. Prior case, when he is pending, there is pending.
Your Honor,
pending.
Your Honor, that is only I want to convey, that there is not any case which prosecution is alleging according
This
to their
case
facts.
not before me. Yes, Ms. Consul. Prior
Yes,
case
Your Honor.
trial going on or not, I am not aware, and I don't know.
Your Honor,
You are representing
I
Abhishek
just
Anand.
the council wants.
You are representing Abhishek Anand, and you are saying Subhash Gupta. You are leading evidence against Subhash Gupta. What about the Abhishek Anand?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor. The defendant just want to convey that the only motive behind this case is falsely implicated from the side of prosecution uh, against my client. There is not any motive behind this. The motive is falsely implicated against the client. Hence, the witness, hence the accused is, um, hence the accused is not. Hence, the accused is not committed any crime under this case.
I know accused has not done anything wrong. Yes, but you implicate Abhishek Anand. You lead evidence against in favor of Abhishek Anand. Why you are favoring Subhash Gupta?
No, Your Honor, the motive behind calling Subhash Gupta is
Your Honor.
Is not is just say is that alleging that the prosecution story is just made out. The alleging facts from the side of prosecution is that the motive behind the prior case, the motive behind this case is all the things which happened in prior, but there is not any evidence for the same, and there is not any incident happened, that kind of incident happened. So this whole case is made out against Abhishek Anand and all the accused which are also discharged in this case.
Okay.
Your Honor.
Yes, yes.
Your Honor,
Yes,
I want
Mr.
to say
P.
that if there is no evidence found, then Abhishek Anand will get discharged at the
Yes, Mr.
at the
P,
framing
you are-
of charges.
Is favoring you. Why you
No,
are?
no, Your Honor, I want to complete my. Your Honor,
Yes.
if there was no evidence against Abhishek Anand, he will get was discharged at the time of framing of charge. But there was three eyewitnesses. Therefore, the Justice Dhruv Chaudhary, who framed the charge, found Mr. Abhishek Anand and charged him with the section 320 to 302 of murder and one. Section 3 and 25 and 27 of Arms Act.
Yes.
And the property search and seizure form also shows that the katta and the bike has been recovered from his house only. And as the
Don't
defense
worry.
counsel is saying, there is no motive. There is a clear motive of.
Yeah, this is a part of final argument, Mr. P.
Okay.
Okay. This
Okay.
is a part of final argument. You are not at stage of final argument. You are in defense. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any questions from Sunil Patel?
No, Your Honor. Because he has no connection with the current accused. Your Honor.
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Yes. Anything else?
Your Honor,
Yeah.
I want to say something. Your Honor, the purpose of the purpose of bringing these witnesses is just that the whole case from the
Yes.
side of prosecution is made out.
Counsel,
There are certain
you explain.
if he is alleging.
You explain, detail explain on the time of final argument. Okay. At the time of final
Indeed,
argument,
Your
you
Honor.
explain this is the defense evidence stage. I cannot consider it. Okay.
Indeed, Your Honor. Indeed, Your Honor. Apologize, Your Honor.
Anything else?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
The
Thank
next
you,
case
Your
is 157.
Team code 157.
Yes, sir. Next case.
157. Subha?
Yes, sir. 157.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes.
cases for today are over and the case for 157 is listed for 2nd June.
Tomorrow, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Shubham, I will send a score sheet on email. Na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
On email.
Okay.